Alright guys, so welcome back everybody. This is Cryptophil and let's talk about Wolf Capital and why I like Wolf Capital now even a little bit more than few days ago when I was paying more money. Now, before we go anywhere, please remember that everything what I'm saying in this video is only my personal. Oh, there we go. Give me a second. But yeah, there we go. Disclaimer. Everything what I'm saying is my personal opinion. I'm not giving you any financial advice. Don't put more money you can afford to lose. This is crypto and you can lose everything, literally everything. Now, if you never watch any of my video for donations, I'm the only YouTuber who is using crypto money to help the poor people in the Philippines, India and Africa. Go and watch my video. It's mean the world to me. Now, let's talk about Wolf Capital. Okay, so over $2.1 million invested. Okay, so a few days ago they migrate to new contract. Okay, and they did change what they really like. Now, what are the change? Okay, and how much you can earn right now? So what's Wolf Capital? If you don't know what's Wolf Capital, this bad boy is already 60 days plus. So I was waiting to see how it's going to be act that 60 days. However, it performed much better than everybody expected. So this on Binance Smart Chain, you get your USDC. If you join my link, you get the max of earning because I'm one of the DeFi Sniper Wolf pack. What's mean we have the biggest community there. If you go to the Wolf packs, you can see here. You go and pick them. You can pick up one, and then you earn up to 2% a day. Now, when this started 60 days ago, was 2% a day. So a lot of people follow the procedure. You claim every 7 days, you take 50% for your pocket and 50% you redeposit, you compound. Basically, you help the project and you help everybody else. Also, don't forget, once you stake your USDC, there's an opening, when you stake your USDC, then they are locked for 60 days. After 60 days, you can unstake. So I will tell you what I really like for the new changes, and I will tell you what I don't like for the new changes. So in the last couple of AMAs, what these guys is they're docs. They're doing AMAs every week in different YouTube channels. Probably we're going to do one in my very soon. Basically everybody saying, most of the people were saying, look guys, we know 2% is not sustainable because they doing trading. So with the trading overall, they're making around 1.2% per day. Okay, overall, as I can see from the trades. Also, they're showing all the trades in their announcement Telegram channel. And everybody was saying, look guys, better pay us less than 2%, better pay us 0.5 or 1%, doesn't matter, wherever you make, pay us that money, but because we like this project to last for a long time, not because we are burned too many times. And I told to the dev, look man, don't be angry. Nobody will be angry if you say, okay, this week we're making only 0.5% a day or 1% a day or 1.2% a day. Whatever you make in trading, that's what you need to pay us. So that's what's happened. So they implement the new contract, and I'll tell you what's the updates. So if you go to the Wolf Capital trades, you will see that they are here. They're showing every single trades, okay? What they're buying, what they're selling, how much profit they make, and everything, okay? Now, if you go to their Telegram group, all right, and if you go right here in announcement, what you can see is you will see. I just want to show you a few things where I am. I will go up. No. They have so many AMAs. Go and listen some of the AMAs. Okay, where was that? So check this out. On the April 17, all right? April 9/17. I'm not sure why it says 9/17. This was posted April 17. It's basically they realize profit for the week. So this is the week, okay? 13.9, 14% for the week. That's crazy, guys. That is crazy. So basically they did 2% per day. All right. So of course this is for the weekly. You can see we exceed our expectation, achieving $64,000 in profits. That's amazing. Congratulations for them. Now, if you go down, you will see they're showing some trades here, how they're making like entry points, exit points, how they make like how much profits, like $30,000 from this. They did a long on 30x long. I think, you know, they're going pretty risky. if you go here, you will see that the latest updates are where it is. There we go. Okay, so this is the latest updates what they did to the new contract. Also, congratulations for the migration from old to the new contract. It's lasted 4 hours. We didn't do anything. They just say, okay, we're doing updates. They close everything for 4 hours. They come back, done. It's problem solved. Okay, very smooth and nice transition. Well done. Okay, so what they say, this is what they say. So fine-tune daily yield structure. Okay, we adjust the maximum daily yield from 2 to 1.5%. So now the daily percentage is 1.5% a day what we earning, so no more 2%, and that's okay. Why? By doing so, we ensure competitive returns while solidify the project long-term prospects. That's what I like to hear. Okay, everybody were saying that on the AMA. Look guys, put the percentage down. I don't care if I even make 0.5% a day. I want this one to last. Okay, that's what we all dreaming for a project to last. Okay, we all know there are always some ponzinomic, but at least if you're honest with us, we all going to respect you. Okay, that's my personal opinion. Again, now check this out. So base percentage mainnet. Okay, we're keeping the base daily 1% with the potential to reach 1.5% for our top-notch tier 10 teams. Okay, so I'm one of that team. So if you join my team, you're going to earn 1.5% a day. So between 1 and 1.5% a day. If it's me, I will put this one 0.5 or 0% till 1.5. Why? I don't care, because there will be some bad weeks, and if they don't make any trades, okay, even if they put to 0, I don't care. Better to save. Guys, listen, we didn't make any profits this week, so that's mean nobody earned, and that's okay. But next week we all earn 1.5% a day, but that's me. All right, so this dynamic yield model is the ignition point of our ambition 60-day plan with the signs of, so they're trying to take the ponzinomic once and for all. Okay, why not aim for the stars? So by reducing the daily percent from 2%, they trying to take off all the ponzinomic. Okay, now they reduce the ponzinomic for 40% already. Okay, that's great, that's amazing. Now what's next on the roadmap? Next on the innovation road is the integration of the DEX arbitrage bot. Okay, so this is to enable the entire capital, including funds held from the contract, the TVL, is to make more money. So I know one of the dev has been working on this bot for months and months and months. He says it's producing between 0.1 till 0.5% per day. So all the money what they are in the TVL locked, staying there around 100k or even more, they want to use that money to make some money, of course, because they're sitting there for nothing. Okay, so that's about it. Also, they did some partnership with BitGet where they do tradings. If you use their link, of course, they will get some bonus of you, and also you'll get some extra bonus. Okay, so what else? And I think pretty much that's about it. There are a few things I heard. I'm not sure if this is true, that somebody said that they're going to give, maybe in the future, I saw this in one YouTuber, but I cannot see anywhere here updated, that maybe potentially we can copy trade their trades. I'm not sure if this is real or not, but hey, if you can ask them, you can ask them. So if that's true, this will be game change for all of us. I prefer, I don't know, to copy trade their trades. This will be the best thing ever, because your money are not locked and you copy trade their trades. Happy days. Now, the thing what I don't like is why, guys, if you hear me, by the way, from some of the team, I don't like, because once your stake is out from 60 days, okay, once your stake is out from 60 days, that mean you can claim anytime, correct? So if there any FUD, check this out, if there any FUD, there will be a lot of people claiming that 60-day stake, what is pretty much free there. I think they should do is, you have 48 hours to claim your stake and restake for 60 days. So that's going to give them more security. That's my personal 2 cents. All right, or maybe I'm wrong. All right, that's about it, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you liked the video. Let me know if you invested in the Wolf Capital, if you think it's too late, if you think it's not too late. Again, the question is it too late? Well, the things how they go at the moment, my personal opinion, I think it's not late. That's me personal. So what is my strategy? I was doing compounding 100% for almost 60 days. Okay, usually I do 50-50. I did, but then I did deposit everything, because once I saw they put the percentage down, I say, okay, that's good, because they thinking for the future. And I know in one of the AMA they mentioned they have a lot of things in the pipeline coming up. So that's what I did. Oh, by the way, if you go for in my Dune profile, okay, in Dune analytics, you will see the things. What I like is here is the green thing. You will see like today or yesterday, sorry, that's today, 22nd. That's for today, for the moment when I'm doing this video. 26 in, 10,000 out. Okay, so that's very good. Yesterday 60,000 in, 28 out, so that's very good. When this is bigger daily deposit than daily claims, we are on the good trend. Next, the day before, 120 in, 25,000 out. Okay, the day before, 100 in, 20,000 out. The day before, 100 in, 33,000 out. Okay, so we are in the very good trajectory. And what's happened the day 60? On the day 60, I think people just claim and just redeposit most of the money. Some of them just staying like there. Okay, so at the moment they doing absolutely amazing. Just imagine if PGV give some money back. Just imagine how much money going to end up right here. All right, thank you so much. Love you all. Till the next one. I do I, you do you. Goodbye.